completely my fault.
Hi guys, my name's Safi Sprocket and welcome back to the channel. And today we are in the heart of Wales. I say in the heart, more northern than in the heart, but you know what, we are in Wales. And why are we in Wales, Saffron? Well, we are at Motor Junkies and we are going to be learning a little bit of off-road skills because as you know me, I seem to have some bad luck when it comes to off the beaten track motorcycle riding. And you know what, you guys have been suggesting for ages that I should go on an off-road skills course, and well, you know what, no time like the present. You have bullied me into it, you've bullied me into it, and now I'm here, and if anything goes wrong, it's all your fault. So here we are. I'm very excited. Now, as I mentioned, I am staying at Motor Junkies, so this is the lodge that I have. I'm staying in the Americas, continent I have yet to go. So I'm gonna be like super honest, I'm a little bit nervous tomorrow. So nervous, and by nervous I mean a lot of nervous. So the plan is tomorrow is this lovely green grass field here. That's where we're gonna start. So thank God they're not gonna throw us in the deep end, but we are gonna start with some basic skills. Because let's be realistic, I don't have any.
Yeah, I also have a bit of a fear as well, because last October I fell off and broke 4 of my ribs.
Ooh, okay.
I wasn't even moving at the time, just a gust of wind blew both me and the bike off a cliff. So I've had a bit of fear about coming off again that I've been trying to work on, but it's quite hard to overcome.
Whereabouts are your ribs broken?
So they're fine now, but it was, I don't even remember, to be honest. I was in that much pain because then I was in a foreign country, I didn't get home for a few weeks, it was all a big drama. But I just remember not being able to breathe, and
yeah.
so
What did they break on?
No, so it was a contrafracture, so they didn't displace.
Oh,
I was
okay.
very, very fortunate. They said that basically my bike gear held everything in place.
Good. Right, what about yourself? What are you hoping to get out of these couple of days?
I just want to get better off-road and exactly the same, just improve my skills, because I get to ride now all the different bikes, not just what I choose. And I was in Montenegro a couple of months ago on the older Himalayan,
Yeah.
and we went all there. We went to the trails, some trails as well, and I found out that I would like to have more skill, but I want to learn it in an almost comfortable way, because I can't afford to break anything.
Yeah.
The road is very, very slippery. I say road. Basically, we are doing some laps up and down the road to try and get used to riding on grass to start with, and also just trying to learn how to do slow speed corners, because that's obviously a bit of a fear. Of course he's making me do it again. Oh!
Right, that's 7 minutes. How are we feeling?
My hamstrings hurt. Spot fixation is really hard.
Yeah. You have to snap yourself out of that. It does happen. Steph, observation-wise from what you saw?
Yeah, actually, you said it was really scary, but you both looked quite comfortable, actually.
Not mentally.
And that's the thing, is we can't see what's going on inside your head, but you were doing a great job. You were nice and smooth. You were following beautifully, and your positioning wasn't bad at all. So
Yeah, good.
yeah,
Excellent.
I definitely feel like I'm weaker on the left-hand corners than the right.
a lot of people are. Yeah,
Okay, that's fine then.
yeah, a lot
All
of
good.
people are.
Roundabouts, isn't it?
Interesting that.
Yeah, we go around roundabouts.
Right, so we've had a brew break and we are back on the trail, and we're gonna do a quick warm-up again, and then we are learning how to counterbalance, I believe. So we're going to do some slow speed again, a few more circles, and then yeah, no, counterbalancing. I hate the step downs. Whoop. I'm really struggling with the step downs. My bum hits the seat before I can touch the floor.
Whatever. Speed is right, we're relaxed, we have control of the bike. Going like that.
Oh,
Right, firstly, slow speed control really good. That was nice.
okay.
Where do you think your body was going in relation to your turn?
I don't know, wherever I wanted.
Right, because what's happening, your body was actually going the same way as the turn.
Right,
When you were turning left, your body was going over the left. What we're trying to do is get it over to the right.
right.
So when we come round again, I think if I'm turning left, I'm going to try and get the body weight on the right. I want to turn right.
So if I'm turning this way, I'm leaning this way. So, ooh. I got a little bit confused then.
The first one was correct.
Right.
I thought, right, I'm going to go into this. I'm going to lean. That way.
And then my brain was like, see you, I'm on holiday. So, 1. And then 2. And then 3. He said I was much better that time. Right, let's do this again. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo!
Just speaking to yourself.
Yeah.
It's a system that works, isn't it?
If it works, it works. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Golly gosh. That was a little scary.
You did a whole load of cross-camber turns on a slope, quite tight turn.
Well, one of them I went straight across. My biggest problem on the Cambers before was I pulled my clutch in going downhill, which I do not want to do. Oop. Lean the opposite way, 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 lean the opposite way. Lean the opposite way, lean the opposite, lean the opposite, lean the opposite way. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Engine brake. Everybody clap their hands. Wah, 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 wah.
How'd it feel?
That were all right, yeah.
It did. It went right. And we know now we can go down that slope and that slope without any brakes at all. Beautiful. Good pace, stable, smooth, that's good.
So this is basically learning how to brake on a hill going down. So
Nice balance, nice control. Good.
requires a lot of thinking power. I felt like I just joined the circus, mate.
Broken. I'm in so much pain. I'm in so much pain. I forgot to preload with ibuprofen. I forgot to preload. And now I'm paying the price. It's fine. We got this.
This one was completely my fault.